Okay, so hi guys, welcome to my another vlog. This is the day which nag-celebrate kami ng graduation ng pinsan ko. So, nung times na, 'di ba, yung last upload ko, yung SKK saka yung SKK at yung iPhone is nung na-post ko, hindi ko talaga inakala kasi isipin ko lang na lang 'yon. Konting views, pero dumami yung views. My goodness! Ngayon umabot ng 170 plus ata. Ay, Diyos ko, ako talaga kami tutuwa. Tapos may nag-subscribe. Then, naging 11. So, I just want to say na thank you so much. Maraming salamat po talaga. I didn't expect that thing. So, talagang grabe. Hindi ko in-expect yun. Hindi ko talaga in-expect yun. Sabi ko ba, pag-ising ko pagtingin ko sa cellphone ko, sabi ko, ba't ganito yung sa nangyari ba't ang daming na views, kasi, di ba nga, 11 subscribers, 10 subscribers lang ako noon, tapos, may nagdagdagan na naman yan, so, tapos nakita ko sa subscribers ko, nakita ko yung views, 172, ewan mo, basta 100 plus, gano'n. Dalaga, sabi ko, daw, within 1 week, umangkat ako ng ganong views ng kinuha ng pinost yun. Tapos yun na, oh my God. I was so nabigla talaga sa nangyari. So guys, this is just I think this is just a thanks video. Wala mo na akong gagawin ngayon, so mag-abang kayo ng ibang unboxing ko, vlogs, at mga kung ano-ano pang pwedeng i-upload sa YouTube. So guys, thank you for watching my video. This is Roger Mardoasan. I would like to admit that please like this video, share if you want, if you don't. And ano ba yan? Subscribe to my channel na, please. Subscribe. I hope you like my videos someday. I think if you don't like my videos, that will be fine. I wish that you subscribe to my video while you're watching right now. So please subscribe to my channel. Again, this is Roger Mardoasan Vlogs. Please subscribe na. Dito kasi ako sa dati na may bahay, sa dating na medyo pangit. And ano nga ba yun? Like, share, subscribe to my video. And thanks for the views in the last vlog. If you want to inform my last vlog, Dance with My Father, Roger Mardoasan covers. Thank you for watching. Goodbye!